Morning guys, my name is Mangalam Agarwal. In the yesterday class, I have taken an example how to calculate the maximum tension in the cable which are at same span. Okay, so now we have to calculate in this video as the maximum and the minimum tension in the cable which are at different level, that is springing at the different level. So before proceeding with this example, let us remind you what are the basic formulas which are at springing level. Okay, so supports are at different level. Okay, so this is distance L1, this is distance L2, and the load is acting. This is dip 1 D1 and this is D2. Here is VA and here is VB, which are at different level. Okay, and L is the total span where D is the dip. So VA is equal to P into L1 and VB is equal to P into L2. Okay, this distance. So how to calculate the horizontal thrust, that is P L1 square upon 2d1, which is equal to P L2 square upon 2d2. Okay, so from this formula we calculate L1 upon L2 is equal to under root of d1 upon d2. You should remember these all formulas, these are basic formulas. Okay, and the L1 plus L2 is the total span, that is L meter. Okay, and the maximum tension or the minimum tension depends upon this formula. T is equal to under root of VA square or VB square or V square plus H square. Okay, and the total length of the cable is denoted by the S, which is equal to S is equal to L plus 2d1 square upon 3l1 plus 2d2 square upon 3l2. So these are some basic formulas how to solve the numerical. Okay, so you should remember this. Now we are taking the example how to solve the numerical which are at support at different level. Okay, in the case of suspension cable, so we should remember these formulas. Okay guys, so the question is, a suspension cable is supported at the 2 points which are at 25 meter apart. Okay, 25 meter apart. The left support is 2.5 meter above the right. The left support is 2.5 meter above the right. Okay, the cable is loaded with a UDL of 10 kN per meter. The P value is 10 kN per meter throughout its span. The maximum dip in the cable from the left support is 4 meter. The maximum dip from the left support is 4 meter. Okay, we have to find out the maximum and the minimum tension. Okay, so guys, this is 4 meter and this is 2.5 meter. So 4 minus 2.5, we calculate this 1.5 meter. Okay, so D1 is the 4 meter and the D2 is the 1.5 meter. Okay, and the P is equal to 10 kN per meter and the total span is 25 meter. We have to firstly calculate the L1 and L2, that is L1 and L2 distance for the calculation of VA and the VB, because VA is equal to PL1 and VB is equal to PL2. So, okay, so the formula to calculate the L1 upon L2 is under root of D1 upon D2. So L1 upon L2 is equal to 4 upon 1.5 meter. So L1 is equal to 1.64 L2. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and the L1 plus L2 is equal to 25 meter. So this is equation number 2. Solving both these equation, put the value of L1 in this equation, we calculate the L2 from this equation, that is 9.5 meter. So L1 is equal to 25 minus L2, that is 16 meter approximately. Okay, so now VA is equal to P into L1. P is the 10 kN load UDL and the L1 is the 16 meter. So VA is equal to 160 kN. Similarly, VB is equal to PL2. P is the 10 and the L2 is the 9.5 meter. So we calculate the VB as 95 kN. Okay, now the formula for the horizontal thrust is equal to PL1 square upon 2d1, which is equal to PL2 square upon 2d2, and the value of the P is 10 meter, L1 is the 15.5, or you can take here 16 approximately, or divided by 2 upon, and the D1 is the 4 meter. Here is the D1. Okay, so we calculate horizontal thrust as 301 kN, or you can check this is correct or not by taking as L1 by taking as L2 in respect of L1. Okay, so this is equal, same, both are same values. Okay, so now we have to find out the maximum tension in the cable is maximum and the minimum, that is we have to calculate TA and the TB at support A and B. So TA is equal to under root of VA square plus S square. Put the value of VA, that is we have calculated from this 160 kilonewton. So we calculate 339 kilonewton, and the TB is equal to under root of VB square plus S square, and the value of the VB is 95 kilonewton. So put these values, that is 361. So from both these values we can conclude that the maximum tension in the cable is 339 kilonewton and the minimum tension in the cable is 301 kilonewton. Okay guys, this is the very important example, so you can write from there. Okay guys, so in the next class we solve a numerical based upon this, which are at different level also, but we have to calculate in the next question, that is the load value. We calculate the load value if the cable area is given and the maximum stress is given in the question. So how to solve that type of question also. Okay, so in the next question we will take this example. Okay guys, thank you class.